My name is Sampath Kumar and I belong to Nautical Science. This is a seamanship lab, and this lab is given classes for the all BSc Nautical Science and other students who are related to the deck department such as HND and GP purpose. These are the knots is used on the ship very often and which is useful for all the purpose. Each knot is having each working progress, and the very first one is over and knot, which is used for not unreeving the end of the rope. The second one is the figure of 8, which is used during the time of emergency to get embarkation into the lifeboat. The third one is reef knot, which is used for joining two ends together which are having equal thickness. The fourth one is ship shank. This is used for making a rope short as well as prevent the damaged part getting parted. A bowline. Bowline is a knot. It is used very often on board and it is useful for all purpose. The sixth one is related to the bowline. This is called running bowline. This is used during the time of picking up a heavy giant line which is laid in the ship side. Single sheet bend, double sheet bend. Single sheet bend it is used for joining two ropes which are unequal thickness, and to make more stronger we use double sheet bend. Immersion chute. This is provided on each crew member's cabin to use it in the time of emergency. This should be done within 3 minutes, and this will be done during the time of cold climate which body temperature will not reduced, and this is having a buoyancy. Additionally life jacket is not necessary. Each crew member will be given 3 sets of immersion chute, life jacket and TPA, thermal protective aid. Okay. These are the International Code of Signal flags which is still used on board, and some of the flags is used during a time of requirement such as like G flag and H flag. A flag and B flag is used on the time of individually when it is necessary. The other flags which is having some related meanings to this, and this is to be hoisted before 12 miles away from the 12 nautical miles away from the international shore, international water. So this is to be arranged before entering into the port. This is the lifeboat equipments which is necessary for the emergencies. During the time of lifeboat handling, these are useful to escape from the ship. So when abandoned ship is declared, this will be used on the lifeboats. This is called self-containing breathing apparatus. This is used during time of fire on board. This is time duration is 45 minutes, and when the 10 minutes remaining gas is there, the whistle will start blow. The donor should come out of evacuate the place immediately as soon as the whistle is blown. This is MARPOL. Is concerned about the oil spillage on the sea. If the oil spillage is there, these equipments are used on board to prevent the oil coming on overboard.